I am at Buffalo National Park. So this place is called Cresta, C-R-E-S-T-A, Cresta Valley. Can you see behind me? That's the Cresta Valley. So I was coming from the Buffalo from the top. There is a lookout, hunt, lookout, and then there is a small hut, and it's a gravel road in the last bit. And then after seeing that, I came down. I parked my car here at Cresta Valley Car Park. Behind me is the car park. Then I was walking straight through the valley. It's a footpath. You know, it's a very small, narrow path. You can walk between the in the valley. You can walk. That's at the end. After we walked 1 hour 5 minutes. It took 1 hour exactly. You will see Dickson Falls Nature Walk. The walk name is Dickson Falls Nature Walk, and then you will see at the end of 5 kilometers. It's a total. It takes 1 hour. I won't say it's a 5 kilometer, maybe 4 kilometers. You will see the waterfalls from the top. You will see the waterfalls. It's very small because it's not raining. Maybe it's not rain much, so not much water. But it's a nice scenic walk. We don't get to walk sceneries. We don't get to see sceneries like this everywhere. So if you're coming to Buffalo National Parks, do not miss this nature walk. It's a must do. That's what you are going to see in my video. I have shown you the sceneries and the walk and a few instructions. I hope you will enjoy this video and do not miss when you come here, this walk. Okay, I parked my car. I'm just going to do some walk on the bush. It's very plain. It's nice to walk. I see a lot of walkers walking. There's plenty of walk to choose from. So we chose just one of them near the Hunt Road, close to the Hunt Lookout. Wow, very beautiful to see this. We are almost to the end. That is my car at the end. We are almost back.